Unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, J Robotics. Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Welcome back to J Robotics. Today we're diving into an exciting project, our very own smart parking system. Before we witness it in action, let's get acquainted with the components that bring this intelligent parking solution to life. We've got the trusty Arduino board, a breadboard for easy connections, a servo motor for gate control, two infrared IR sensors as our eyes, and a liquid crystal display, LCD, for real-time updates. Now let's delve into the connections that make this system tick. In connecting our smart parking system, the liquid crystal display, LCD, elegantly syncs with the Arduino. A0 whispers instructions, RS, A1 controls data flow, RW, and A2 conducts the ensemble, EN. A3 to A5 choreograph a seamless data dance, D4 to D6. Meanwhile, our vigilant infrared IR sensors relay vehicle presence through digital pins 2 and 4. The gatekeeper, a servo motor, gracefully waltzes with digital pin 3, responding to Arduino's commands for precise gate control. Each connection is a note in our symphony, orchestrating the ballet of our smart parking solution. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now you can upload the provided code. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of hardware output. As vehicles approach, the first infrared IR sensor triggers the servo motor, gracefully opening the gate. Simultaneously, the liquid crystal display, LCD, updates, reflecting the changing parking status. When the second IR sensor senses a departing vehicle, the servo elegantly closes the gate, adjusting the available parking spaces. The LCD continuously updates to display the total parking spaces and the available ones. This dynamic interaction showcases the intelligence and responsiveness of our smart parking system.